What's up, guys? Pikes here doing a free-for-all. Um, okay, I'm just gonna try to. This is online. This is not private match. I'm gonna try to get the last and try to hit a shot for you guys. Let's go.
Free for all.
Yeah, this. I got this.
What's up, guys? It was in the part of the.
He's not in the game, by the way. He's just talking.
Yeah.
Move in and take them out.
Oh my god, my shot is off. I'm here to entertain the crowd.
Where is everybody? Usually they should just run out in free-for-all.
Yeah, I'm about to go try hard on these kids. Psych! Oh my god, you kids are annoying. They're all hiding behind little things.
Where is
Head
everybody?
glitching.
Like, there's 6, 7 people in this game. Like, I have only seen 2.
Oh my god! All the dude,
Crap.
free for all sucks now because it's only trick shotters. Like, that's all it is trick shot. I'm try harding.
Oh, if I died. Wait, he's right here.
No, I'm not even gonna trick shot. I'm just gonna try hard. And I get what? That made no sense.
I thought he was killed.
Stabilizing's raging.
He's trying to get on top. He's trying to... Crap.
I can't take this.
Those hit markers down. 3! I want to get the last minute shot too. I'm not even joking. Me not joking.
Oh my god, I'm so done.
I got it. I got it. I got it. It's gonna be a while too. I don't know how FaZe Rain does this. I don't know how he has the patience.
Dude, I need a ballista.
He stuck me, and this kid, okay, the COD Gamer X, the COD Gamer X. I don't know what to say to that.
With this cage. This KJ kid.
Ooh! Who keeps camping with the... Like, there's everybody's camping. This is the worst game ever.
Boon, or what kind of... What?
Freaking... No! Come on!
I can't take this. His
His
name is...
Hit a shot.
Is it Fune? Fune Scuffy? What the fuck kind of name is that? Some people, like, come up with the most retarded clan names. Like...
Okay, this guy is honestly
My
the
clan
best
name-
sniper I've probably ever seen in my life, since he just missed like 12 of them. Somehow managed to kill me. And so... Ooh. Oh, I hate him so much. I hate this kid. Honestly, what's the fun of using crossbows if you can hardly even get any kills with it?
That is true, like... Oh shit.
Nice! I'm not even gonna say anything about that.
Okay, I can't even try hard. Dude, honestly, I hate free-for-all. Like, for trick-shotting, I just hate it. It's so easy, but, like, yet annoying.
What?
Like, when you get to last,
Oh,
it's
he
easy.
killed me. Wow, I was on a roll. I just wanted to kill him.
Okay, that's good, bro. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I bet you these friends just join sections to get mad at, for make people to get mad. I don't even know what they're doing. He just got smacked. Oh! Yo, this guy's only knifing. What's the fun of knifing too? Like, I don't get the fun of all these things that people are doing. Using crossbows, knifing, sweating. Like, what is the fun of sweating? Oh my god. I'm almost at labs too. LMG, and that's not even LMG, but you're still sweating. Forget it, my shot's off. Why do you? Okay, if you're not going to get a person with the first 20 shots, you might as well just stop spraying. Oh my god, you fat. Oh.
Hostile UAV above.
I hate this game so much, especially free for all. Makes me rage. Oh my! I'm about to punch my controller so freaking hard. There's no point of doing this. Like, what's the point? I wanna ask the people that in the nice connection. Nice freaking connection. Come on, let me get the last. You're not doing this. No. Oh my god, what's the fun? Just. Oh, I'm gonna ask. I'm actually gonna send a message right after this match. I'm gonna send them a message saying, "What's the fun of doing that?" I can just bet you it's gonna say, "This cause it makes you mad." Freaking god, you would do this, wasting your life for an Xbox, trying freaking little balls off. What's the point of doing that? Really?
Hostile UAV above.
One more kill. One last. Finally!
Be advised, hostile warthog
Come on, I'm not
inbound.
gonna freaking worry about it. I swear to God if he kills him.
Hostile lodestar inbound.
Oh, come on, hurry up. Come on, come on. Forget!